So this is Infinite Free, and this tutorial is to teach you how to install WordPress using Infinite Free. Infinite Free is a free hosting site that allows you to host your website for free, well, with some little bit of restriction. So I'll be teaching you how to host your WordPress here on Infinite Free. So this is my Infinite Free dashboard, and I've created and also linked my Infinite Free domain with my normal domain, my .com.ng domain. So I've done that. So what is left now for me is to host my WordPress on Infinite Free. So here is the site I want to host on Infinite Free. So you have to click on it. So when you click on it, you will get these two URL. This one is the normal domain URL, while this is the Infinite Free URL. So you click on the script installer. So once you click on the script installer, it will take you to another place where you'll be greeted with so many CMS scripts. But today we are on WordPress. So let's click on the overview and let's do a quick installation. As you can see, we are using the latest WordPress, which is 6.8, and here you select the domain you want to use. So let's select our normal domain. Then the next, you scroll down to the username you want to use. So let's just use Easy Review. So let's create our key. 1 2 3 4 5 6 QQ dots. So everything has been set. So let's install our WordPress here. So let's wait for it to install. It will take time. So it's progressing the database and it's almost through installing it. So our WordPress has been installed, and it has been installed with a default themes, which is mostly what is on all WordPress sites. So we go to our administrative WordPress, which has the WP domain and WP admin. So let's open a new window with it. Let's open it. Yeah. So this is our WordPress dashboard. Here you can post, and so let's view how the site will look like. Note that the site doesn't have CSSL installed, so we can do that later, but this just is an empty blog. So you can do other stuff, you can install your themes, you can install anything you want. But a particular plugin doesn't work with it, which is the Jetpack plugin. You can't view the site statics on your mobile phone because we are using a free hosting. You can't do that. That is one of the restrictions. But you can install your SSL, which is free from the site. You can install it from Infinite Free. So you can install any themes you want. You can use the FTP, or you can just add it from this place. So let's install this one. Preview. You can install this. It's free, no restriction. So that's just how to install your WordPress, and you can start posting on it. So the next post will show you how to install SSL on your WordPress.